100 right now.
For welcome in is DaRealest, man. In this video I will be doing 100 jump rope jumps. I don't know how to call it, but I'm just doing 100 until I can do it. This video will not be over, and you'll see how long it will take. And the thing about this video is I don't give up. I don't give up until I've done it, you feel me? I could have been like, nah, fuck this video, I ain't dropping it. Fuck it. Now I made a promise to myself, made a promise to y'all. 100. I'm gonna do 100. Feel me? If I can do it, you can do it too. Just commit to it, man. You feel me? Let's get it, man. Grind, 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 grind. Don't give up. Stay committed. Dedication, hard work, perspiration. You got it, man. Video will not end until I have 100 push-ups or jump ropes. Yeah. I don't know how long this will take. Fuck it, I do not care. Those days as well. Also, normally I don't wear any shoes, so that's another thing. Better get used to doing this with shoes. Without shoes, I'm just At 45. Time to get there again. She get me tired. my shoes up too. I know what y'all thinking. This ain't gonna make no difference. Da 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 da. My legs are extra as hell. I know what y'all thinking, bro. Trust me. Okay. Feel me? Feel my element, you feel me? Touch the ground. That's what I need to do. It will go much easier now, I feel it. I already did that shit, motherfucker. First try without shoes on, bro. I'm telling y'all. All I had to do is be with nature, touch the ground. I know it's steel, no stone in here, but still.